What's the meaning of CCTV? CCTV. CCTV.
CCTV. CCTV. CCTV stands for closed-circuit television. It refers to a system of cameras and monitors used for surveillance purposes in various settings, such as homes, businesses, and public spaces. CCTV systems can help deter criminal activity, monitor employee behavior, and provide evidence in legal proceedings. The cameras capture video footage, which is then transmitted to a monitor or recording device for viewing or analysis. Overall, CCTV technology has become increasingly prevalent in modern society, used for both security and non-security purposes.